Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this easy Audrey Hepburn inspired high bun hairstyle. To start, I've popped the hair into a deep side parting and then just sectioned out a piece at the front. I'm just going to clip this away for later. Then I'm simply going to pop the rest of the hair into a high ponytail on the top of the head. Let that front section down and I'm just going to split it in half and curl it away from the face going backwards. Next, I'm going to add some texture and volume powder at the roots. I'll pop everything I use in the description below. Now I've decided to give this hairstyle a little bit of back combing, only close to the roots, but if you don't like back combing you can skip this step. Next, apply some wax spray all over the hair to help control flyaways, and then gently use your comb to smooth just the top layer of hair, but still keeping the volume. Take hold of the ends of the hair and give them a couple of twists and bring them up and over the top of that ponytail. Secure through the centre of the twist with a pin or two, and with the ends I'm just going to simply wrap these around the elastic band and secure with another bobby pin. Now I've cut up a bun donut, so I've just unravelled it. And then all I'm going to do is gently fold this down to make the size of the bun that we want. So keep folding it until you get to the end of the padding. Grab your ponytail and push it all the way forwards towards the front of the face, and then just place that padding on top of the elastic band and secure at both sides with a few bobby pins. Gently bring the hair back over the top of the padding, spreading it out. Use a comb to make sure it's nice and smooth and covers all of that padding. Then gather the tail ends to the back and secure with an elastic band. On the last turn, only pull it part way through to create a small loop. Then I'm just going to take that loop and tuck it up and underneath the padding so you can't see it. Then secure with another bobby pin. Add a sparkly hair accessory in the middle. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.